Hi everyone, my name is Pemba and I'm here with my friend Bhawani. In this video, we will be discussing the different strategies for different topics of the PTE Academic test. So Bhawani, let's start with Read Aloud, the first topic of the PTE Academic test, and it's also the first topic in the speaking module of the PTE test. Now this is the topic where we have to read aloud the text and the prompt provided to us on the screen, and we are supposed to speak as naturally as we can with natural intonation. What are some of the things we have to avoid in this topic?
I would say something that you really need to avoid in the question is to rush through it. Rushing doesn't necessarily account for fluency, so you should try your level best to not rush through it, because that's when you would make a mistake, and then you would want to self-correct, and then you would want to maybe add another word, or you just get stuck, and then you might want to start over. So many things can go wrong when you're rushing through it. As you said, speak as naturally as you can. Avoid any skipping of the words, avoid any adding of words, and also any replacements, of course. Yeah, that's what I would say as things that we shouldn't do in Read Aloud. And yeah, what do you think is a good strategy that we can use in Read Aloud?
Well, in my opinion, the best strategy in Read Aloud would be to use your preparation time wisely. You will be provided 30 to 40 seconds of time to prepare, and that's plenty of time to actually get prepared. A lot of us think that only scanning the text and maybe reading the text by heart is the best way to prepare, but it's better when you actually verbally read aloud the text during the preparation time as well, so you can anticipate what words are going to come next. That makes you better prepared. Do you have any other strategies to offer?
Yes, I would say, especially if you don't want to rush through it and make mistakes, pay attention to the punctuation marks that you have, at least the commas and the full stops. Respect those ones, and you'll probably speak as naturally as you can if you at least do that. If chunking doesn't come to you naturally, I would say at least pause on the commas and the full stops, and using the right intonation, of course, then it starts to sound very natural. So I would say that's that you could follow along with the strategy that you said.
Yeah, that's very much correct.
Flowy!